Computers are quickly becoming an integral part of life. Many people use cell phones, tablets, and PCs as part of their daily routine. So chances are you know how to use a computer. But do you actually know what a computer does?
There are four main functions that can be performed by a computer. These four functions are basic math logic, read and write from memory, control program execution, and operate attached devices. First, let's consider a computer's logic.
While people use higher level thoughts to reason, a computer's logic is limited to ones and zeros. A computer uses transistors to complete basic math and logic operations. And a transistor is basically just a switch.
Consider a flashlight circuit as a simple demonstration of this concept. This switch is representative of our transistor. It allows electricity to flow from the battery to power the light.
Using transistors in certain configurations allows you to perform binary logic operations.
This is a logical OR configuration. It allows electricity to flow to the light when at least one of the switches are closed. This symbol represents the OR gate. Binary signals enter here and here, which represent the state of the switch or transistor. If the input is 1, it's like having the switch closed. Therefore, the output will be 1.
This configuration is a logical AND. In order for the light to come on, both switches must be closed. This is the symbol that represents an AND gate. This symbol represents a NOR gate. NOR gates simply invert the input.
Using a combination of these logic gates, we can build circuits that perform basic math operations. This is an adder circuit.
The second thing a computer does is read and write from memory. There are two types of memory. The first type of memory is volatile. The most well-known type of volatile memory is RAM. RAM and volatile memory in general require power to retain their data, so it's not suitable for long-term memory storage. However, volatile memory is faster to write to than most long-term storage methods.
Non-volatile memory is slower, but is a way to permanently store data and instructions.
A program is a set of simple instructions that tell the processor what to do. The processor is kind of like the brain of the computer. Each instruction is an operation such as read from memory, write to memory, or perform some mathematical function. Instructions are stored in memory and execute in sequential order. There are instructions which control the flow of the program, such as jumping on some given condition. Lastly, computers wouldn't be very useful if there wasn't a way to interface with them. Computers can interface with monitors, speakers, keyboards, mice, and other general peripherals by way of standardized hardware interfaces and driver software. Hopefully this video was able to provide a brief insight into what a computer does.